Hello, my friends. Good morning, sir. And this I'm here. This act. My act name is visiting home, and I hope enjoy this act. Thank you. Let's be start.
Yes, who is this?
My name is Sagun. I am a Kiran's friend.
Kiran friends. I don't know who's Shagun. I think you are Kiran new friend, na?
Yeah, cause I am friends with 1 month.
1 month. Okay. Please come inside.
Thank you.
Okay, sit here.
Thanks.
Okay, Kiran.
Where is Kiran?
Kiran is sleeping right now.
Okay, please wake up, Kiran.
Okay. Kiran, your friend come in home. Please wake up.
Okay, sister. I am coming.
Okay.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
What are you doing?
Nothing so much. I read nothing so much.
Okay. Okay, you sit here.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. I will take coffee and tea.
No, I take a water.
Okay.
You take a water. Okay, I blink it. Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing so much. I learned to English, and I learned to. I practice to dance.
Oh, really? I love dance because I am going to few days dance practice.
Oh, great!
Yes.
Okay, please take a water.
Thank you.
You know that
No, who are you?
this is my younger sister.
Who is she?
This is my younger sister. She going to Canada in coming a few days at home.
Oh, great.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name? I think Shagun, na?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
What's
yes.
your name?
My name is Maya.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay.
First time.
I am getting late. I catch up tomorrow.
Okay. Bye.
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 Thank you so much. This act. I hope you enjoy this act.